how to make an e-commerce website on WordPress. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can make a e-commerce website on WordPress. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this is assuming that you've already installed WordPress from your cPanel hosting, and once you've done that, you'll be able to see your dummy WordPress website, right? Currently, I do not have anything in my website because basically you can see I've just nothing. So I'm going to make this an e-commerce website. Now the very first thing to building an e-commerce website is basically an e-commerce theme. So there are some free themes and there are also some paid themes. If you want to download some paid themes, you can do so from Envato, Elements, and so on. But I'm just going to use a free theme in this case by going to the appearance tab over here and then going to the option called themes. So once I go to appearance, and over here you can set different types of free themes, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on the plus icon over here, and once I click on the plus icon in the search box, I'll just select WooCommerce over here, and it will give me a list of all the WooCommerce or e-commerce website. And over here you can set different types of themes, right? You have the free themes. If you want a basic preview, you can just select preview button, and then you'll be able to see all of this basic thing. And what you want to do is, in order to actually install any of these websites, all you need to do is just click on the install button right next to it. So I'll just click on the install button right next to a random one over here. After I do that, it will basically install the theme, and then after that, whenever I want to apply the theme, I'll just select activate over here. And then once I select activate, there will be some of the features and the plugins that I might want to install in order to use this theme, right? So at the very top, you can see this theme recommends the following plugins such as WooCommerce, your customizer framework, and Google language translator. All I will do, I'll just select begin installing plugins. Now once I do that, I'm just going to select all, and then I'm going to hit the bulk action. I'll select install, and then I'll hit apply. Once the installation of these plugins has basically begun, you'll be able to see your website, and your WooCommerce website will be successfully created. You can now list products, you can actually create product categories, you can design your website, you can edit the homepage, and do anything that you want. This is how you can make an e-commerce website on WordPress. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.